Welcome to CDG Training, as ISO 50001 Internal Auditor Training, your gateway to mastering energy management systems. ISO 50001 is crucial for businesses aiming to enhance their energy efficiency and reduce environmental impact. This online course offers comprehensive training to prepare you for internal auditor certification. Ideal for energy managers, environmental officers, and anyone committed to energy conservation. Gain the skills to prepare, conduct, and follow up on ISO 50001 audits to improve energy management. Our structured modules guide you through every aspect of the ISO 50001 standard and auditing techniques. Engage with interactive content that makes learning both effective and enjoyable. Learn from industry experts who bring real-world experience to the training. Study at your own pace, anytime, anywhere, to fit your busy schedule. Achieve a recognized certification that showcases your expertise to employers and peers. Learn through case studies from organizations that have effectively implemented ISO 50001. Enrolling is easy. Just visit our website and get started in minutes. Hear from our alumni about how this training has propelled their careers forward. Unlock new career opportunities and play a pivotal role in your organization's energy management strategy. Start your journey as an ISO 50001 internal auditor today. Visit www.cdgtraining.com to avail the course.